Ito yung pinakamasarap na version ng etag na natikman ko so far. And I've been traveling back and forth to Sagada for more than a decade now, kaya marami na rin ako nasubukan. It's very flavorful and smoked to perfection. Tapos paparisan mo pa nitong wild mushroom soup. Grabe yan guys, this is a must try. It's creamy and smoky, super comforting, perfect sa malamig na Sagada weather. Ito yung dalawang top picks ko sa lahat ng in-order namin sa kanila, pero marami pa silang nagsasarapang dishes. This is Log Cabin Restaurant, isa sa mga pinaka-OG na establishments dito sa Sagada. The place is super cozy, malapit lang sa town center at nasa Google Maps din. 2 beses kaming nag-dine-in dito pero pagsasamahin ko na lang sa isang video. This pizza is loaded with that bacon etag, Gouda cheese, and a drizzling of honey. It's smoky, cheesy with the right touch of sweetness, perfect with a little bit of sriracha. Ito naman yung roasted chicken paired with that smoky gravy na meron talagang bits of etag and mushroom. The chicken was super tender although it was a little bit on the salty side for me. But then I realized sakto rin lang kasi ipapares mo siya dito sa salad na merong sauerkraut, so magko-complement yung lasa nila. Up next, ito namang pork steak na meron din ng smoky gravy. This was so good, perfecto for me. Wala akong mapuna sa dish na yan. Meron din silang pasta. In-order ko itong penne, although this one sakto lang naman for me. Sa drinks, meron tayo nitong super refreshing na strawberry fruit tea, although their hot choco is a little too sweet for my liking. So nagtry ako ng coffee. Ito yung creme brulee latte, perfect with an extra shot of espresso. At ang sarap ipares dito sa mga egg tart nila. It's very rich and decadent. Kinda reminds me of the egg tarts na galing sa Macau. Meron din silang sariling gawang yogurt made from goat's milk. Hindi siya masyadong maasim, very creamy and perfect with some berries. Ito yung mga in-order namin for dinner. Kinabukasan naman sa breakfast, dito nga namin natikman yung bacon etag. And then kung naka-check-in ka sa cabin nila, you get complimentary na unlimited bread and coffee. Kaya nag-order ako nitong salad na merong tomatoes, olives, cheese, and herbs na perfect isabay doon sa bread. Definitely one of the must-tries dito sa Sagada and hopefully matry nyo rin sila soon.